Alright, hi everybody. I'm in Brandon today getting my head examined with my neurologist, so I'm hoping you're having a good day. I hope you enjoyed yesterday when it was International Talk Like a Pirate Day. Today we're going to do a pirate treasure hunt on paper to celebrate that. I hope you're treating Mr. Stozak well today. So everybody needs to get into a group, partners. It has to be partners, it can't be threes. If there's a group of three, you're going to have to figure out how to do it. But for the most part, you need to be in partners. You should have a sheet that looks like this. Okay, and you need a pair of scissors, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut it right down the middle like this, and one person's going to be the left and one person's going to be the right, and then you cut each individual strip up. So you've got a whole bunch of different strips of paper, and then I'd like you to make two piles, and I'm going to show you what those piles should look like. Okay, so you're going to have a pile like that, and another pile like that for the other person, okay? And you should turn them so that the writing is down so you can't see. Okay? Now you also need to make a large piece of paper like this. So use loose leaf or whatever you can find, some tape. What I would suggest that you do is tape them together like this. Okay? So you get a nice big piece of paper like that, and put tape on one side and then turn it over and use the other side so the tape isn't there. Okay? And in the upper right hand corner you're going to put the scale. 1 centimeter equals 1 pace. And then you're going to begin. You can make a starting point there near the center. I would suggest not right at the center there where the seams are. Try to avoid the seams if you can. Okay, so what you're going to do is, one person's going to begin by selecting a piece of paper, not knowing what it is, of course. I'll just do an example. I'm just going to do an example here. So I've selected 10 paces east, and so on my paper, at the start, I'm going to go 10 paces due east. Okay, so you're going to draw a line with your ruler and your protractor. You're going to draw a line that's 10 paces east. And I'm just going to do that really quick over here. Okay? And you get your line like that. Then the next person, they select, throw away that 10 paces east one, put it to the side. Then the other person selects from their pile, and I'm going to randomly select it. I've got 6 paces west, 30 south. So person number 2 is going to go back to the start. They're going to have their own route. They're going to go back to the start, and they're going to go 6 paces west, 30 south. And they're going to have their route. Okay, so this is person number 1 over here that went east. This is person 2 that went down here like this. Okay, and you're going to alternate back and forth. Some of course, the little slips of paper say some things that are non-related to the actual treasure hunt, like draw a one-armed pirate. So a little bit of fun there for you. You can make your picture look all pirate-like. When you're all done, you should have each added about 5 or 6 vectors together in a different order. Should you end up at the same spot? Well, we'll see how well you do, okay? I'm going to leave some fun tack as well, and I'd like to see these all up on the wall when I get back on Monday. So make it nice and pirate-like. All of your vectors should add together to the same spot. Have fun, and arrgh!